Hi everyone, I've got Louis here, and he's going to tell us how he thinks about 12.5% of 116.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you going to do here?
We're just gonna keep on splitting it. So, no, we divide this into 3 times.
In a row?
Yes.
Okay, let's show everyone what this looks like then and how you're actually thinking of this. So when you start off with 116, right? You're saying, look, split that into, that's 100%, right?
Mm-hmm.
So to get 50%, you split that into 2.
Yeah.
So what is 116 divided by 2?
It would be 58.
How did you know that so fast?
Because 16 divided by 2 would be 8, and 100 divided by 2 would be 50, and add it, 58.
Okay, so that's 50%. Now let's split the 58s into 2 equal groups, and we'll get 25%, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what's 58 divided by 2?
29.
How did you know that one so fast?
Because split 50 in half would be 25, and then split 8 in half, that would be 4, so I didn't eat into each one. So 25 plus 4 equals 29.
Okay, so we have 116 into 4 equal groups, and that's 25% is 29. But we need 12.5%, right?
Yeah.
So 12.5%. And we're going to just do it once more, right?
Yeah.
What's 29 divided by 2?
It'd be 14.5.
14.5. And we're going to have that for each 29, right? How many equal? 14.5. Thank you. 14.5. How many equal groups do we have here?
We have 3.
So we have 2 equal groups for 50%. 4 equal groups for 25%.
Oh yeah.
And how many equal groups?
That would be
8. Okay, so 12.5% of 116 is
14.5.
That was awesome. Great job.
Thanks. Bye.
Hi everyone. Anna's here because she's got a great idea for 12.5% of 116. Let me guess. You're going to find 10% first because you love it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's find 10% of 116. Now, why do you love doing this so much?
Because you can just move the decimal over. So this decimal is invisible, but still there. It's right there. You move it to 11.6.
Okay, so 11.6. Okay, let's find 5% because we have to, you're actually going to split this into 10%. You're going to find 10% first, which you just did. And then you're going to add that to 2.5% to get a total of 12.5%.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so 10% is that, so that's easy. How are you going to find 2.5%?
Well, I'm going to do 5%, which is just half of the 10%, which is 6 point, I didn't mean 6, I mean 5.8.
Okay, so let's think about this. So this is $11.60, right? What's $11 divided by 2?
$11 is 5.5.
5.5, because $11 divided by 2 would be $5.50. What's 60 cents divided by 2?
60 cents divided by 2 is 30 cents.
Okay, so then
you gotta put the decimal.
Oh, thank you. Okay. So then we know that this is actually the answer for that. So is 5.8, right? $5.08. Okay, so then we're going to have half of this. So that's 2.5% of 1.6 is, now we're going to take half of this. So what's half of $5.80?
Half of $5.80? Well, half of 5 is 2.5.
Okay, so 2.5.
And half of 8 is 4.
So plus 0.4, which would give you what, 290? So 290 or 2.9. Now, we don't need this one, right? You just add those together.
Yeah.
So 10 plus 2.5 would be 12.5% of 116 is, now we have to add 11 0.6 plus 2.9. What's $11.60 plus $2.90?
Well, 11 plus 2 is 13, and 6 plus 9 is 15. So
Or $1.50, right?
$14.50.
So $14.50 or 14.5. So 12.5% of 116 is 14.5. That was awesome, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.